Vanakkam, Sunita here with a Kalamkari beauty on a Kanjivaram. Kalamkaris are more kind of experience than a textile, I must say. They say a lot of story for themselves. The beautiful color combination and the themes and the vibrant colors, everything matters a lot when it comes to Kalamkari. They are famous for their flow of themes, running colors, and their authenticity of the materials used. This is a beautiful turmeric color, very interestingly Koruvai Kanjivaram, on which Kalamkari has been done. Pen Kalamkari, as you all know, is from the city of Kalahasti, where the Shiva temple is located. Kalahasti is the name of the temple, also prevailing in that place. So this is a very ancient art form that our culture and our craft has been enjoying over centuries. This is fantastic combination, I must say. This is on a Kanjivaram. Let's open up. Here the theme is Krishna Leela or Krishna Nritya, where Krishna is dancing on the lotuses. The beautiful Krishna is so well set on the sari. The theme is fresh. This is the pallu, the authentic Kanjivaram pallu, on which Kalamkari has been done. Pen Kalamkari has been done. The edging is very important for me. This is the edging part where you can tassel them later. This edging part, the Kanjivaram border, the beautiful weavings of the zari over there, and here comes the sari, the entire beauty of the beautiful all-pervasive Paramatma, Lord Krishna with his flute and dancing over the lotuses. The nritya that Krishna does is world famous, is the most amazing thing. The flora and fauna, all that is present, along with the zari woven booties and the color combination, the maroon. Look at those zari woven mangoes. I think the sari is ulta itkondidira. Sari seedha itkole, correct? Huh? So that is, yeah, correct. The Krishna is Siddha. So this is Siddha. Then that is the beautiful weaving on the body, as well as the colors. The colors are all authentic, natural colors used with. This is a turmeric dipped sari and nutmeg. A lot of ingredients, Indian herbs used in making those colors happen on this beautiful Kanjivaram. The story is very simple. This is the Lord on your sari, happily enjoying his presence, dancing to glory, and having you as his friend. He's going to enjoy his company, so you are going to enjoy his as well. Here comes the beautiful blouse that's made in Rani pink and black combination. Here also the floral theme has come up. The borders are very well drawn with these yaris and elephants, and a lot of scriptures and carvings on the Indian temple. Pillars and walls are all happily woven. That is the beauty of Kanjivaram. Here is all that in one sari. Let's run the sari through. Running through the entire sari is a beautiful turmeric yellow, kelage bidi border na, turmeric yellow, and this Lord is very strategically placed in 1 feet or 1.5 feet, 2 feet distance throughout the sari, and he looks so charming. The theme of Krishna, the face of Krishna differs in every drawing, as that's the beauty of a natural painted, so tastefully done sari. Turn the sari around. When you turn around, you understand what a glory am I going to own, and please make this beauty yours, because making another sari is going to take a minimum 4 to 5 months, because sari has to be woven and it's all made on order. So 6 months you are the only owner. Sometimes you are the only owner forever, because looms are closed and sari is not made. Look at the purple border at the edging. That's another highlight. You will love this sari. Combination of the blouse also I really enjoyed. It's something very fresh and new and interesting. it's going to be a showstopper for sure. After a long time, a beautiful Kanjivaram and Krishna in his own world of nature is all there in the sari. Enjoy having the sari. Happy shopping with Vastram. I am just not going to stop the video till my eyes and hands say, yeah, it's okay, Sunita, let that go, because that beautiful is the sari. My tone will replicate what I feel from inside. It is very beautiful. It is very classy and authentic, a long back, authentic Kanjivaram and a pen kalamkari. Since long I have not seen such varied designs where the Lord has come into a sari. This generally we avoid, but this time it come with a blue lotus and a blue Krishna and every beautiful colors possible combined to make the sari a pretty masterpiece. So the wardrobe collection is here, guys. 40,500. Happy shopping.